What's up, guys? It's your... Wait, you can't see me. No, not Zion. Come on. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Kingston. Super Kingston, the 50 Spinner Boss. Today, we're under a flash flood watch. So, yeah, that's not good. So, we have to prepare if there is one. It is a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a flash flood. Maybe producing a flash flood. So, we are in the dark green, and which means flash flood watch. Okay, guys. Just telling you. Okay, so I don't know why Zion be saying he's gonna come. He's the only one that helps me to make good videos. But he's not here. He won't come. He's a good helper in making good videos. Okay, guys. I'll make a video if it starts flooding or something like that, okay? Bye.